Ever found yourself needing to send money overseas, and you're stuck wondering if your bank can actually handle it? Specifically, if you're an Ally Bank customer, you might be asking, can I send an international wire transfer? It's a crucial question, especially in our increasingly globalized world. Whether it's for supporting family abroad, paying for international services, or handling business transactions, the ability to move money across borders is essential. Now, before we dive into the specifics of Ally Bank, let's acknowledge why this question is so important. We live in a time where geographical boundaries are becoming less of a barrier in financial transactions. The rise of digital banking has made it easier than ever to manage our money, but international transfers still present unique challenges. Currency exchange rates, varying regulations, and the sheer complexity of the global financial system can make these transactions daunting. Think about it. You might be a freelancer getting paid by clients overseas. Perhaps you have family members living in another country who need financial support. Or maybe you're an online business owner purchasing goods from international suppliers. In all these scenarios, reliable and efficient international money transfers are non-negotiable. That's why understanding your bank's capabilities in this area is so vital. Ally Bank, known for its online banking model and competitive interest rates, has gained a considerable following. But does its digital-first approach extend to international wire transfers? That's the question we're here to answer. To give you the most accurate information, it's essential to look at Ally Bank's official policies and customer support resources. So, what have we found? Here's the key takeaway. Ally Bank does not facilitate outgoing international wire transfers. Yes, that's right. While Ally Bank offers a range of domestic banking services, it does not provide the option to send money directly to international bank accounts. This can be disappointing for those who are hoping for a one-stop banking solution. Now, this doesn't mean you're completely out of options. Here's a breakdown of what that means and what can be done. Understanding the limitation. It is important to understand that many banking institutions have varying limitations regarding international wire transfers. This is often due to the complexities of international finance regulations. What Ally Bank does offer. Ally Bank is very good at domestic wire transfers. So if your needs are to transfer money within the United States, they can handle that. They also can receive international wire transfers. So someone from overseas can send money to your Ally Bank account. Alternative solutions. Thankfully, the rise of financial technology has provided numerous alternatives for international money transfers. Companies like Wise, formerly TransferWise, offer specialized services that make international transfers faster, cheaper, and more transparent. These services often provide more favorable exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. These types of services are designed specifically for international money movement. They can be a very good option for anyone needing to send money overseas. Here's a deeper dive into why these alternative solutions are often preferred. Better exchange rates. Traditional banks often mark up exchange rates, meaning you pay more than the actual market rate. Fintech companies like Wise typically use the mid-market exchange rate, which is the fairest rate available. Lower fees. International wire transfers through banks can incur hefty fees, including intermediary bank charges. Specialized services often have transparent fee structures, so you know exactly what you're paying. Faster transfers. Traditional international wire transfers can take several business days to process. Many fintech companies offer faster transfer times, sometimes even within the same day. Increased transparency. With many fintech companies, you can track your transfers in real time, giving you peace of mind. So, while Ally Bank may not be your go-to option for sending money abroad, you have plenty of other reliable and efficient choices. It's also important to remember that financial services are constantly evolving. What might be true today could change tomorrow. So, it's always a good idea to stay informed and regularly review your banking options. In summary, Ally Bank does not offer outgoing international wire transfers. You can receive international wire transfers into your Ally Bank account. Alternative services like Wise provide excellent options for sending money internationally. I hope this information has been helpful. Navigating the world of international finance can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can manage your money with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.